Is Omegle actually back? Short answer, yes. Since the original Omegle site has been shut down in November 2023, a lot of sites came forward to take the position of this website. But recently, two websites were launched that actually resemble Omegle in almost every way. Let's go to the first website, that's Omegle.com. Uhmegle.fun. So this website totally resembles Omegle in every way. If you scroll down, you can use the video chatting feature with no sign up or login. Besides the native Omegle, it has got Discord and Reddit support. You can add the interest if you like, but it's totally optional. And start chatting in the form of text or video. Let's choose the video. Allow your camera and microphone, and thus you're ready to go. You can just start here. Hello. Hello. What? I didn't understand.
You
Football player. Okay, I'll write it for you. Age of Sin is totally like the previous Omegle, and the best thing is that you can even access this website on your mobile phone. Now let's go to the second website, that's called Omegle.fun. And it's also like the previous Omegle, but there's one more catch to access this website. You just have to log in firstly. So you can use the Google option or the connect with Facebook. I use the Google option for now and continue. Pick your name, birth date and gender and just sign up here. Now you can immediately start video chatting. Just read the terms and conditions here, and you just have to be 18 or older to use Omegle. Click on start video chat. So apart from the conventional Omegle, you can even add the person as your friend just with this option. Hello. Hi. So apart from the basic Omegle, it has got a store option where you can buy coins to spice up things here. You can even subscribe to Omegle Plus to access the features like unlimited free matches, gender filter and then exclusive badge. Also, it has got one additional history tab which lets you check the people with which you have connected before on Omegle. You can browse through these profiles and add these people as friends or say hi here, send a message, but it will cost coins to unlock the chat here. So those are the two best alternative websites that resemble Omegle. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.